A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pavan Kumar. Today I will start 8th lecture of chapter 10 vector algebra. So class, in previous lecture I have discussed the theory related to vector algebra. I have completed all the theories. So now today I will discuss some standard questions related to NCERT exercise. So see. Now I will come to the first question of NCERT exercise 10.1. Question number 1 is represent graphically a displacement of 40 kilometer. Represent graphically displacement of 40 kilometer. A displacement of 40 kilometer 30 degree east of 30 degree east of 30 degree east of north. 30 degree east of north. So we have to represent graphically. Now consider I am going to see the solution. First of all, we have to draw the direction east west, north, south. So this is the direction, this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west, and now each are perpendicular, Now question is, in this question, a displacement of 40 kilometer 30 degree east of the north. Let us consider OM is a vector. OM is a vector that inclined at an angle of 30 degree with 40 kilometer. In figure, OM is a vector M be any point in plane such that vector OM, the vector OM, which is required displacement, See, now this question is completed. This question is so easy. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 2, and now this is question number 4 of 10.1 exercise. See, now question number 2 is answer the following as true or false. Answer the following as true or false. So I will come to the first part is question first part, statement first part is vector A and vector minus A. Suppose vector A and negative of vector A are collinear. Vector A and vector minus A or minus A times vector A are collinear. So this is true or false. This statement is true. How? Suppose you have any vector this is suppose vector A and negative of vector A will be like this. So this is collinear. Now come to the next point. The next point is two collinear vectors are always equal in magnitudes. Second part is two collinear vectors are always equal in magnitudes. In magnitudes. So this will be false. This will be false. Now come to the third point. Two vectors having the same magnitudes. Third is two vectors having the same magnitude is or are collinear. So this is also false. Now come to the fourth. Two vectors or two collinear vectors having the same magnitudes are equal. Two collinear vectors having the same magnitudes are equal. Having the same magnitudes are equal. This is also false. Now this is completed. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 3. Question number 3 is find the magnitude of the vector. Find the magnitude of the vector vector A is equal to I plus j plus k. I plus j plus k. So solution. The given vector A is equal to I plus j plus k. So magnitude of vector that is mod of A is equal to root over 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So its magnitude will be root over 3. Now this is the magnitude of vector. This is the answer. Now come to the next question. Now question number 4 is, write two different vectors having the same direction. Vectors having the same direction. So solution, we have to write two different vectors having the same direction. Let capital A be any vector such that capital A is equal to, suppose, 2i plus 3j, 2i plus 3j plus k. Now vector parallel to or having the same direction, vector in the direction of vector A, suppose this is vector B, or we can write then vector B is equal to, this is suppose 4i plus 6j plus 2k. Capital A is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 4k, and then B is equal to, and we can write n. Vector B is equal to 4i plus 6j plus 2k, is in the same direction or are in the same direction. Are in the same direction. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 5. Or also this question we can write vector B is equal to 2 times 2i plus 6j plus k plus 3k. Now this vector we can write 2 times vector A. Now this is in the same direction. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 5. Question number 5 is, find the scalar and vector component of the vector. Find the scalar and the vector component of vector, scalar and vector component of vector whose initial point is 2, 1 and terminal point is -5, 7. So this is the point. So solution, given initial point, that is 2, 1 and terminal point, that is -5, 7. So position vector of, therefore position vector of initial point, that is 2i plus j, 2i plus j. Now I will come to the final or terminal points. So what is the terminal points or position vector of terminal point, that is -5 I plus 7j. Now position vector of these 2 points, position vector of these 2 points. Suppose this is P and this is Q. Therefore, position vector of PQ, that will be equal to position vector of Q minus position vector of P, and this result is, this is position vector of P, position vector of Q. So minus 5i plus 7j minus 2i plus j. Now when you will solve it, so what you will get the result? You will get minus 7i and plus 6j. This is the position vector of PQ. Now its vector component will be, see, so minus 7 plus 6j, this is the position vector of PQ. Now its scalar component and vector components. What will be scalar and vector components? So scalar components, we are talking about scalar components. I am writing here. So scalar components is equal to minus 7, 6 and vector component, that is minus 7i, 6j. minus 7i comma 6j. Now this question is totally completed. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 6. Question number 6 is find the sum of vectors. Given below, suppose vector A is equal to 2y plus 3j plus 4k and vector B is equal to 5i minus j plus 4k. Now we have to add, we have to find out their sum. So what will be the sum? Solution. For any two vectors, the sum of vectors is, or the sum of vectors are, is denoted by vector A and vector B plus vector B such that vector A plus vector B is equal to, this is 2i plus 3j plus 4k plus 5i minus j plus 4k. This one we can write 7i plus 2j plus 8k. This is the sum of two vectors. Similarly, you can find out the difference of two vectors that can be written as 2y vector, means minus sign. We can write 2y minus 5i and plus 3j minus j means plus j will be here. So 3j plus j and plus 4k minus 4k. Now this result will be minus 3i plus 4j plus 0k. This is the extra question. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 7. Question number 7 is find the unit vector in the direction of given vector. Find the unit vector in the direction of given vector. Vector A is equal to, this is given, I plus j plus 2k. Unit vector I, unit vector j plus 2 times unit vector k. We have to find out unit vector. So solution: for any vector A, the unit vector in the direction vector A, that is A cap is equal to vector A upon mod of A. This is the formula, you know. Now we have to put its value. So unit vector in the direction of vector A, that is I plus j plus 2k, this is the vector A, and whole upon root over modulus of A, this is 1 square plus 1 square again 2 square. Now its result we can write I plus j plus 2k means I plus j plus 2k whole upon 4 plus 2 6 root over 6. Now what is its vector component or scalar component? So vector component, if you want to write, or scalar component, scalar component, that is 1 by root 6 comma 1 by root 6 comma 2 by root 6. This is the scalar components. Now vector components, vector component will be I by root 6 comma j by root 6 comma 2 times k by root 6. This is the vector component. Now see, now come to the next question. The next question is question number 8. Question number 8 is, show that the vectors show that the vectors 2i minus 3j plus 4k, 2i minus 3j plus 4k and minus 4i plus 6j and minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k plus 6j minus 8k. There are two vectors given, minus 8k, minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k are collinear. First of all, we have to write the given vectors. Two given vectors, that is vector A is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k and vector B is equal to minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. Now we can write this vector, or these two vectors are collinear if this will satisfy the given condition. Two vectors are said to be collinear. If you can write A is equal to B lambda or B is equal to A lambda. Vector A lambda, where lambda is constant. Now since Vector B we can write minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k unit vector. Now you can take common minus 2. So result will be 2i minus 3j plus 4k. And you know this is vector A. 2i minus 3j plus 4k. 2i is equal to lambda vector A, where lambda is equal to minus 2. Represent vector A and vector B are collinear. Represent vector A and vector B are collinear. Now this topic is totally completed. See, this is the condition for collinear. B is equal to A lambda. Now see,